So I figured we'd start this video exactly where we ended the last one, which is where we encountered some technical difficulties on our way to Gui'Keng'Wei, and unfortunately had to abort the trip on that day. But anyways, we're back here, same spot. Bike is over there, and we're gonna see if we can make it there today. A little update from last time. Turns out the reason we broke down was because the little regulator box that regulates the electrical current that comes out of the stator had come completely detached from the frame and was actually just banging around inside, I think due to riding rough roads. But anyways, got that replaced, and now we're good to go. On the right here, you see another example of hillside graves where the villagers have buried their loved ones in the side of the mountain for better feng shui. Well, we finally made it. Gui'Keng'Wei. This is where we started. Well, we finally made it through the first mountain pass. 这个是可以去那个叫什么南桥镇吗？对啊，就是这个能过去吗？我是想去那个叫大桥镇。去不了是吧？那走这条路能下山吗？ 就是往回走是吧？回走那里才下去才进大桥。啊，这样的，就是到前面那个路口往左还是往右呢？往那边。啊。你刚才从哪里来？我刚才从那里下来的。哦，要走那边才直接。就是有往回走是吧？往回走进。这个里面有什么呢？这是有。村庄来的。但我看那边写的，如果往右转也可以去那个桂头是吧？桂头就比较远一点，你去大桥就远一点。 啊，但是如果下山的话，哪条路最快呢？你出桂头就这边快啊。啊，行，好。这里出去也行，这里出去要山路那边也是兜一个大圈，但是找不到那个路，要不然就直接上鲁源那边也行。啊，行，啊，就说这边还有个，但是你说是土路是吧？也是这些路啊。啊，这样的，那我就一直走这条路呗，反正我不赶时间呢。谢谢啊，好，拜拜。 Got some ducks there. Hey, hello. 那个有饭店吗？饭店啊？对啊，饭店。也有啊。吃的东西。出了。 对，吃的，前面有是吧？
他去喂猪，等一下他要回来了。
啊，那就去那里等是吧？
是这里啊。
就前面这个是吧？好好好。
好了，等一下。
好，谢谢。
你来旅游啊？
对，来旅游的，看看山呢。
哦。
对。
你快来就来了。
从韶关。
韶关啊。
啊，你们这里是修路是吧？
是啊。
这个村庄有其他饭店吗？
没有啊，就是这个哦。
只有这一个是吧
So came to this little village here, gonna try to get a bit of food, but I can tell that they're a little bit on edge here, seeing a Western guy in their village with all this, you know, in the new world of COVID. So yeah, I'm just gonna get a couple boiled eggs, maybe a bit of vegetable on the side, and then keep on my way because they don't seem very excited to see me here.
看一下有什么菜呢？你能帮我煮个鸡蛋吗？
鸡蛋，
这个应该很简单吧？
水鸡蛋，
对啊，就水鸡蛋吗？
就一个，不要弄开哈。
对啊。
一个一个的。
对啊，然后我就把那个壳就对，来三个吧，好吗
？3个鸡蛋。
对，3个鸡蛋。
青菜要不要？
有什么青菜啊？
就是小白菜啊。
可以啊，你们是怎么做的？炒的？
嗯。
可以啊。
哎呀，那个吃锅。
谢谢。哎，请问是不是如果一直走这条路可以回到贵头那边？
这边？
对啊。不可以啊。
不通了，它封了。
不通了。
前段时间它封。
它不是土路吗？
土路有一段铺了，水泥路。
好，谢谢。Looks quite good. Bit of rice, bit of egg, bit of vegetable over there. Gotta get a bit of that 辣椒 on there. Hits the spot. Well, maybe I spoke a bit too fast because as soon as the locals saw my green health code, they were as warm and as cheerful as ever. So yeah, just give you a little shot of their village here. And we're off, so we're gonna try to take this road down that she said supposedly is not open. Disclaimer, no chickens were harmed in the making of this video. So the plan is here, hopefully if we can follow these electric lines, we can get to the main road, which should be on the other side of this mountain ridge here. We have just made it through the second mountain pass. So that right there to the right, I can't point because I want to keep both hands on the handlebars, but that hopefully that road is going to take us down the mountains there. Gonna walk back here to take a, you can see it's just over the edge here, it's a clear drop off. I tell you, I would not want to be coming down this road on a big truck, that's for sure. Especially after a good rain. I mean, this whole side could just give way here. But yeah, it looks like, okay, village down there. Hopefully this road leads back to the main road there. Kickstand down in a pile of cow dung. Awesome. all washed out. I don't know if you can see it way up there. I cannot point, but that's where we started out. Good sign. Very good sign.哎，师傅，我问一下，那个柜头怎么走呢？我这没有信号的。后面不是有个路口吗？是往左还是往右？往左。
柜头啊，
反正就是到那种正常的路呗。
正常路一直出啊，往那个他们拉那个核卵石那个一直出到游击镇就有信号就。
这样的就不是在前面，不是往右。
不是往右。
往右是去哪里的？
往右到鲁源。
啊，那也可以啊。
可以。
那个路况会不会好一点呢？
好一点，好一点。
好一点。这个前面有什么呢？
前面又到必备哦。
我刚从下面下来，走那个土路的。
啊，不好走，那个就往这个路好走。
就往乳源那个方向是吧？哦，那我上前面看一下，掉个头。
哎，那边路就不好走，他们拉那个核卵石，那路很烂。
行，你们这都没有信号的，怎么生活的？
有啊。
有啊，我是中国电信的，没有信号的。
电信没有啊。
你们是联通还是移动？
移动的。
好，谢谢啊，拜拜。
我等一下，我都想往这边走。
好。Very good. So now we've at least got our directions right because I have no signal here, and I don't want to be driving around the mountain all night. Really amazing how these people have chosen to make their homes on the sides of these embankments here. That three-story white building on the right side of the bridge is a school. You've got to imagine what it's like to be a kid growing up and going to school in a rural place like this. Like they've cleaned it up now, but it looks like really landslide just completely destroyed the road up here. Take a look at the damage. Imagine all that. I eventually turned around and followed the directions given by that guy on the side of the road back there. Got any signal on the GPS here? No? Okay. Oh, 我问一下，乳源是不是往这个方向的？大概还有多少公里？
还有17公里。
哦，好，谢谢。Person to confirm that we are going in the right direction. Well, the 10 plus kilometers that gentleman told me I had left on this road was closer to 50 kilometers, and I drove on this road for about 2 hours before I made it to a main road, and even from there I had to drive another hour and 20 minutes before I got home. And by that time all my GoPro batteries were dead, and I was also quite tired, so when I got home I literally unpacked all my stuff, took a shower, and went to bed. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy it. See you next time.